With Kelly, I had both a selling and a buying experience. It was very positive. From a selling standpoint, I was extremely impressed with the marketing, especially with how he handled the pictures and the videos. When I first looked at the videos that he posted, I said to my wife, I want to buy that house and I'm trying to sell it. Well, I've worked with other realtors in the past, and by far Kelly, I would say the most professional. Kelly is first and foremost a family man. He cares very much for the families that he is responsible for in the buying and selling transactions.